Hi everyone, so thank you for tuning back in. And I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video, and so I wanted to upload it another one. So today actually I'm coming with you with this very quick demo for the Ultra highlighting drop, and this is what I'm wearing on my cheeks right there. And I bought this, well, not bought, I got it as points, as part of my points for my birthday in Ultra, and they were like $10 a piece, and I got it because I just wanted to try to see, you know, what it was like. So yeah, and it was only $10, so you can't beat that. And I got it in like two shades. I got it in, you can see it right here, the light is just crazy. This one is angelic, and the next one is divine. And for whatever reason my lighting is terrible, so please excuse that. And yeah, so these are actually what it looks like. And as you can see, I'm kind of wearing some on my shoulder right there too, so I'm gonna go ahead and do another quick demo for you guys. So you guys, this is actually the divine. Okay, so right there, 2, 3 drops, so you guys can see. To glow, and there you go. You can see the difference, and this is where I've been testing it out on for the last few takes, and you can directly see the difference in my shoulder. This is my regular shoulder, this side, and this is the glow on this side, and I think it's just beautiful. For $10, it's like just gorgeous, and I wanted to share it with you guys so quick. And yeah, so I bought this, like I said, in Ultra, and it was only $10 with my birthday points. You know, it's 0.6 fluid ounce or 19 ml. It's a pretty good amount in there, and it doesn't have to use a lot to achieve what you want, so I think it's worth the money. If you wonder what I'm wearing on my face right now, I am wearing Black Radiant BB Cream Amber, sorry, Honey Amber, which is 8919, and I'm wearing CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous in 310, which is classic tan, and I mixed them together because it's so hot now in Florida, and regular foundation just is gonna melt away in this heat. For my lips, I am wearing this is a e.l.f. liquid matte lipstick, and it's in Vampy Violet, and I'm wearing a Black Radiant matte cream, and this is number 5411. I bought both of these in Walmart, and I just love them. You know, like $2 or $3, and the colors together are beautiful, as you can see. So that's what I'm wearing on my face. And for my eyes, I'm wearing the Juvia's palette, Masquerade palette, I think. Yeah, that's what I'm wearing. Primer was, it's the e.l.f. Hydrating face primer and the e.l.f. illuminating primer, and also in Walmart, 6, I believe this one was 8 and this was 6. So in the e.l.f. setting spray, and that's pretty much it. So like I said, if you guys are looking for something inexpensive for highlight and something that's just gonna give you a beautiful glow, especially in dark skin, I would definitely recommend this Ultrabeauty in drops. It's naturally so beautiful. $10 in Ultra. So go ahead and check it out, and remember, if you're not subscribed or if you're not following, please go ahead and do so. Blessing. Thank you.